More than 90% of businesses worldwide are small businesses. Yet most people still think starting one is only for the big players. Today, I'm showing you 14 future-proof mini machines for 2026. Machines you can import from China or buy online and run from a tiny room. They're low-cost, high-demand, and built for real everyday use. And for each machine, I'll break down exactly how it works, the raw materials you need, and the average price you should expect. Let's get into it. 1. Screen glass repair machine. Think about that moment when someone drops their phone. The silence, the slow turn, the hope that maybe, just maybe, the screen survived. Almost every cracked phone you've ever seen had the same story. The glass broke, not the actual display. And that tiny detail is exactly why the screen glass repair machine is such a smart, low-stress business idea. This machine doesn't do anything dramatic. It simply warms the adhesive under the broken glass so you can lift it off cleanly, almost like peeling a sticker. Then it presses a new sheet of glass with this smooth, factory-level finish that makes people ask, how is this even the same phone? A dependable machine usually sits comfortably in the $400 to $700 range, depending on the suction plate and heating accuracy. And your supplies stay simple: OCA film, replacement glass, wipes, and a compact UV light you can fit in a drawer. The best part? The workflow feels peaceful. Heat, lift, clean, laminate, cure. No fumes, no noise, no stress. And cracked screens don't stop. Students, workers, parents, everyone eventually drops a phone. All you need is a corner of a room and steady hands. 2. CO2 Laser Engraver. There's something addictive about watching a laser glide across wood or acrylic, burning a design into life with this clean, effortless precision. And what most people don't realize is that all those custom gifts you see online, the wooden name signs, acrylic keychains, leather tags, cafe menus, often come from one compact CO2 laser engraver sitting on a desk. This machine turns a tiny workspace into a flexible mini factory. You open your design software, load the graphic, place your material, and hit start. No complicated setups, no loud machinery, just a focused beam carving out perfect shapes every single time. And the materials are refreshingly simple: wooden blanks, acrylic sheets, MDF cutouts, leather strips, and a bit of transfer tape. One storage box covers everything. A dependable desktop unit usually sits around $600 to $1,200, depending on wattage and bed size. And the customers? Practically everyone. Gift buyers, event planners, small shops, cafes, schools, new brands. Anything personalized keeps demand steady all year. What makes this machine special is the freedom. If keychains slow down, move to signs. If signs slow down, pivot to leather. The workflow stays clean, quiet, and endlessly creative. Perfect for someone who wants a home business with variety, not pressure. 3. Coffee roaster machine. There's something almost meditative about roasting coffee in small batches. The warm smell fills the room. The beans crack like tiny fireworks, and suddenly you feel like you're creating a product people connect with every morning. Big brands can't compete with that kind of freshness, and customers notice it instantly. A compact coffee roaster doesn't need a dedicated workshop. It can sit on a countertop, a balcony shelf, or a small table. The drum tumbles the beans evenly while heat shapes the flavor. And you control every detail. Light roasts with fruity notes, rich medium roasts, deep dark blends, even flavored batches if you want to experiment. Your inputs stay simple: raw green beans, resaleable bags, labels, and a cooling tray. Most reliable home roasters fall in the $500 to $900 range, depending on capacity and temperature control. So it's easy to get started without overthinking the setup. And the market is everywhere. Offices, neighbors, gyms, barbershops, weekend market shoppers, and anyone who loves the ritual of fresh coffee. The workflow stays relaxed. Measure, roast, cool, pack. Once you learn the roast profiles, it becomes muscle memory. And since people drink coffee daily, the demand stays naturally consistent. 4. Ultrasonic Cleaner. This is one of those machines that looks technical from the outside until the first time you press the button. Then you realize it's almost effortless. An ultrasonic cleaner uses thousands of tiny vibrations. too small to see, but strong enough to shake dirt out of jewelry, watches, glasses, metal tools, even tiny machine parts. Grime trapped in corners you could never reach by hand just slides off like magic. You pour in water, add a mild detergent, place the items in the basket, and hit start. No scrubbing, no chemicals, no mess. Your supplies stay incredibly simple. Water, a gentle detergent, microfiber cloths, and a few small baskets. Most mid-size ultrasonic cleaners sit in the $120 to $200 range, depending on the tank size and construction, so it's one of the easiest machines to set up at home. And the customers? Endless jewelry owners who want their pieces sparkling again. Salons, watch collectors, mechanics, optical shops, tattoo studios, even electronics technicians. Anyone with items that pick up oil, sweat, dust, ink, or grime. The workflow stays peaceful. Load, set the timer, rinse, dry. The real selling point is the transformation. That satisfying before and after that people love instantly. 5. Tire vulcanizing machine. Tire problems always show up at the worst moment. A tiny nail on the road, a small cut, a slow puncture you don't notice until the next morning. And most drivers hate the idea of buying a whole new tire when the damage is actually minor. That's exactly where a tire vulcanizing machine becomes a practical, no-nonsense solution. It uses controlled heat and pressure to fuse fresh rubber into the damaged spot, creating a repair strong enough to handle real road conditions. Your raw materials stay straightforward. Rubber patches, small sheets, vulcanizing cement, a cleaning wheel, and a bit of chalk for marking. Most compact vulcanizers sit in the $180 to $300 range, depending on the heating plates and build quality, making it one of the more affordable repair machines you can run in a garage or small shop. The demand never slows. Daily drivers, taxis, delivery riders, mechanics, tire shops, and even neighbors constantly deal with punctures. The workflow is simple and predictable. Clean the area, apply the patch, clamp, heat, cure. No loud tools, no complicated training. It fits in a small corner, runs quietly, and turns a frustrating tire problem into a quick, reliable fix. 6. Cap heat press. Caps are one of those products that never fade out. Schools use them, gyms use them, delivery teams wear them, small brands sell them, and families order them for events or gifts. And a cap heat press turns that constant demand into something you can run from a simple desk setup. The curved heating plate is the secret. It hugs the shape of the cap so your design doesn't warp or wrinkle. You just place the cap, align the artwork, lock the press, and watch the graphic melt perfectly into the fabric. Your supplies stay cheap and simple. Blank caps in different colors, heat transfer sheets, a basic printer for your designs, and optional vinyl if you want sharp, bold logos. Most dependable cap press machines sit in the $150 to $300 range, depending on temperature, stability, and frame quality. So it's easy to get started without huge investment. Customers are everywhere. Schools needing team caps, gyms wanting branded merch, birthdays, sports clubs, new clothing brands, even local cafes upgrading their uniforms. And the workflow is fast. Design, print, align, press. Cool! You can test ideas instantly, create samples on the spot, and build a small business around a product people already understand and love. 7. Shoe cleaning machine. Shoes take more abuse than anything we wear. Dust, sweat, rain, mud, and sometimes things we don't even want to identify. Most people try cleaning them at home and end up scrubbing too hard, damaging the fabric or fading the color. That's why a shoe cleaning machine feels like a magic trick the first time someone watches it work. It uses soft, rotating brushes and controlled water flow to lift dirt from deep inside the seams without stressing the material. No harsh rubbing, no guesswork, just a smooth, consistent clean. And once the washing is done, a built-in warm air system handles the drying, so the shoes come out fresh, dry, and ready to wear. The supplies are as simple as it gets. A mild detergent, a set of brush attachments, and a couple of microfiber cloths. Most compact machines land in the $300 to $700 range, depending on the brush system and drying power. Customers come from every direction. Sneaker fans, gym goers, parents, construction workers, commuters. Anyone who wants their favorite pair revived. The workflow is effortless. Load, pick a mode, press start. The before and after transformation sells the service instantly, and people love seeing their shoes come back to life. 8. Headlight Restoration Machine. Foggy headlights can make a perfectly good car look tired, dull, and older than it really is. The funny part is that most drivers have no idea how simple the fix actually is when you have the right tool. A headlight restoration machine uses a heated vapor that gently remelts the outer layer of the plastic, bringing back clarity in seconds. You start with a quick sanding pass to remove oxidation. Wipe the surface clean, and then let the vapor glide across the lens. As the plastic warms, the haze disappears and the headlight turns clear again, almost like watching a filter turn off. Your supplies stay minimal. A few sandpaper pads, cleaning wipes, a small polishing compound, and the vapor solution itself. Most compact restoration machines sit in the $80 to $200 range, depending on heating speed and build quality, making it one of the most affordable automotive repair tools. The customers are literally every driver, especially people preparing a car for sale or anyone struggling with nighttime visibility. And the workflow is easy. Sand, wipe, vapor, shine. No headlight removal, no heavy tools, no mess. The instant visual transformation is what makes people trust the result immediately. Number 9. Lip Balm Filling Machine. Lip balm seems simple, right? Right up until you try making a batch by hand, the wax cools too fast. The pores get uneven, tubes overflow, and suddenly the whole table looks like a candle factory exploded. A lip balm filling machine solves all of that in one move. It melts your wax blend evenly, keeps the temperature steady, and fills each tube with a smooth, air-free flow that looks clean and professional every single time. Your ingredients stay beautifully simple. A wax base, a mix of oils, your chosen fragrances, empty tubes, and labels. Once everything melts together, the machine dispenses the warm mixture into each tube without spills or streaks. Most tabletop fillers sit in the $300 to $600 range, depending on tank size and nozzle setup, and they fit easily on a desk or a small kitchen table. The demand is everywhere. Beauty lovers, boutique shops, weekend market sellers, gift creators, and anyone who prefers natural formulas. You can switch between flavored, tinted, seasonal, or themed batches without changing the machine, and the workflow stays peaceful. Heat, mix, fill, cool, cap. 10. Lanyard Heat Press. Lanyards might not get much attention, but they're everywhere. Offices, schools, events, hotels, conventions, gyms, even freelancers who want branded gear. And a lanyard heat press takes that everyday item and turns it into a clean, repeatable product you can create from a simple desk setup. You bring your design onto transfer paper, place it over the polyester ribbon, and lock it under steady heat. The ink bonds directly into the fibers, which means the colors stay bright and the design doesn't peel, crack, or fade. Your materials couldn't be simpler. Rolls of ribbon, transfer paper, a basic home printer, and a pair of scissors. Most compact lanyard presses sit in the $250 to $500 range, depending on heat accuracy and platen size. They're small, quiet, and don't need ventilation, which makes them perfect for small rooms or apartment setups. The customer list is endless. Event planners, schools, sports teams, small businesses, hotels, security staff, local brands, even creators needing personalized merch. And the workflow is fast. Print, align, press, done. 11. Leather Sewing Machine. Leather lasts for years, sometimes decades, but repairing it is a completely different story. Most people have no way to fix a torn boot, a loose bag strap, or a worn belt at home. That's where a walking foot leather sewing machine becomes a game changer. Unlike regular sewing machines that struggle with thick materials, this one uses a triple feed motion that grips the leather from the top, bottom, and needle at the same time. Nothing slides, nothing snags, and the motor never strains. Every stitch lands clean and tight, even through multiple layers. Your materials stay wonderfully simple. Leather patches, heavy-duty bonded thread, strong needles, and a few small hand tools. Everything fits into a single box. Most trustworthy walking foot machines fall in the $350 to $700 range, depending on motor type and frame strength, making it surprisingly accessible for home setups and small studios. The customer base is solid. People with boots, jackets, handbags, belts, holsters, wallets, or custom leather goods. Most prefer repairing quality items instead of replacing them, and the workflow stays calm and predictable. Measure, stitch, reinforce, finish. 12. Wax melting machine. Candle making feels relaxing, right up until you try producing more than a handful at once. Temperatures rise too quickly, cool too fast, colors split, fragrances burn off. It turns into a messy balancing act. A wax melting machine removes all of that frustration. It keeps the wax at a steady, controlled temperature, so every batch melts evenly and every pour looks smooth and professional. You just melt the base, add your color and fragrance, give it a gentle stir, and pour into jars or molds without rushing. Your supplies stay simple and satisfying. Wax blocks, fragrance oils, dyes, wicks, jars, and labels. Most tabletop melters sit in the $180 to $350 range, depending on tank size and heating strength, and they fit comfortably on a single table or counter. The customer base is huge. Gift buyers, decor lovers, aromatherapy fans, holiday shoppers, market visitors, or anyone who enjoys a cozy scented room. Candles never go out of style because people use them for relaxation, decor, and mood. The workflow is calm and predictable. Melt, scent, pour. Cool. 13. Metal engraving machine. Metal engraving sounds intimidating, but a diamond-tip drag engraver makes the entire process surprisingly simple. There's no heat, no sparks, no complicated setup. Just a precise stylus that uses controlled pressure to scratch clean, permanent designs into metal surfaces. It works beautifully on jewelry, pet tags, watches, keychains, tools, metal business cards, and small accessories. The lines come out crisp, sharp, and incredibly durable. Your raw materials are almost nothing. Metal blanks, a few polishing cloths, and replacement engraver bits. That's it. And most desktop engraving machines sit comfortably in the $300 to $600 range, depending on precision and frame stability, which makes them one of the easiest personalization tools to start with at home. Customers love engraved items because they feel personal without being expensive. Pet owners need name tags. Couples love custom jewelry. Small businesses order branded plates, and creators use engraved pieces for unique merch. The workflow is clean and predictable. Secure the item, load the design, engrave, polish. 14. Wire cutting and crimping machine. This machine won't win any beauty contests, but that's exactly why it's powerful. A wire cutting and crimping machine solves a problem that every technician, electronics builder, and small workshop faces: preparing cables accurately over and over without mistakes. Instead of measuring by hand or struggling with uneven cuts, this machine handles everything in one smooth motion. It measures the wire, cuts it to the exact length, strips the ends cleanly, and crimps the connectors with perfect pressure. No loose terminals, no frayed ends, no redoing the same cable twice. Your raw materials are as simple as they get: wire spools, connectors, and a few organizing trays to keep everything neat. Most compact cut and crimp machines sit in the $400 to $800 range, depending on motor strength and the level of automation, making them ideal for home workshops or small production spaces. The customer base is incredibly practical: electronics repair shops, small manufacturers, audio technicians, car modifiers, hobbyists, and DIY builders. And the workflow stays fast. Set your length, feed the wire, press start. Done. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Business Dash for more videos like this. And don't hesitate to ask me anything in the comments. I'm always here to help. See you in the next video!